Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all a flat iron that's from the brand TYMO. Now they sent me two. I'm going to be testing out both. This is the before of how my hair looks and I'll show you guys the after. So let me unbox this and show you guys what comes in the set. So remember, they have a slim version and they have a wider version for you to choose from. Now let's just read really quickly what the box says on there. So this has 30, it heats up in 30 seconds. International dual voltage of 110 to 240 volts. Intelligent touch control. Temperature memory. So it locks in the temperature of what your favorite temperature is. You get free accessories, a travel bag, gloves and hair clips. Heat mode and auto off, power saving and safety mode. 360 degrees swivel power cord. And an auto temperature lock, so that when you're flat ironing your hair and you're holding that flat iron, you're not going to accidentally change the temperature or shut it off. So let's open up this box. So this is the flat iron. It comes with this, so you can secure the cord back into place. This is what the cord looks like. Pull the plastic off. It says slide to unlock. That's if you lock this, you just slide down and it unlocks it. So as promised in the box, we have here a velvet travel case, 2 hair clips, because you need these to clip your hair into place, although I like using a grabber or a claw clip. That's just my personal preference. And a heat glove. So if you think you're gonna get burned, this is what you want to use to protect your hand. So guys, let me show you how the flat iron works. So it's locked right now. You can see that it's closed. You want to pull down here to unlock it and open it, and to lock it you just push it back up into place. So let's plug these two on. Let's allow them to heat up. Okay, so once you plug it on, you'll see that TYMO blinking. I'm going to plug the other one. You hear that? You hear the beep when it comes on. Okay, so to put it on, we're going to press the power button, which is in the middle. And it's actually unlocked at this time. Okay, so it automatically set at 450. So guys, to switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you just unlock the device and then press very quickly and gently the plus and the minus together, and it changes from degrees to Fahrenheit. This is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to be working with this. I'm going to allow it to heat up, and I can already feel that it's hot. And let's check this one. This one is also hot. So now let's test it out. So I'm going to use this one on one half of my hair, and I'll use the wider one on the other half of my hair, and I'm going to be doing my entire hair today. So this one is also at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so let's start. You want to make sure you use a comb like I'm using. Now when I flat iron my hair, I like to pull in at the ends. Ooh, wow. It's looking really good. Really good. I'm sorry I don't have curly hair, that like really curly hair, because I can tell you that if I had this flat iron, it's definitely going to straighten curly hair. So let's try the wide one. Now I'm using it at 450, but if you have finer hair, you wouldn't want to use it that high. My hair is really thick and it can stand up to the heat, so hence the reason why I'm using 450. Now everyone has their personal preference. Some people like a wider flat iron, some people like the slimmer one. My personal preference is the slim flat iron. So whichever one you like, and it's really affordable, and as you can see it works really well. So whatever your preference is, they have it, wide or slim. Look how straight. I mean, my hair was pretty straight. Let me just let it down so you guys can see, right? So this is what I'm dealing with. This is what my hair looks like now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to flat iron my hair with this flat iron, and I'm going to show you guys the after how it looks. So let me continue. And what I'm going to do is I'm only going to be using the thinner one, so I'm going to take this one off. So I'm sliding down and holding the power button to turn it off. So I'm going to set this one aside, and I'm going to also lock it back, and we're only going to work with the small one since I prefer the small one. So I'm going to continue. And as I said, I like to bend the ends in. And now you don't want to move too slow because you don't want to kink your hair. So guys, almost done. Just this last piece here and I'll be done. And there you have it. This is what the after looks like. Look how smooth, and using the flat iron it actually didn't pull or tug on the hair. Really nice and smooth, just look. And I didn't put any product in my hair. So guys, if you all love the flat iron, love how it works, I will leave the information to purchase down in the description box. So look out for a future video. I'll be doing a really big giveaway. Look out for a future video and you guys can win one of these. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed the review and the before and after. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out TYMO for some more amazing products. Bye.